elevate the experience of your life with a blissful location in Clouds, which is very well connected and comes with affordable luxury. Presenting to you Elara at codename Cloud City, situated in Kharghar by Today Group. और आज मैं आपको ये प्रोजेक्ट दिखाने वाली हूँ। 20+ years of legacy and 35+ projects existing in the prime areas like Juinagar, Nerul, Airoli, and existing projects in Kharghar and Panvel, these developers will not miss an opportunity to give you the best. And talking about this project today in specific, so we are talking about phases that are phase 1 and phase 2. Phase 1 is almost sold out with very limited inventory left, and phase 2 is coming with 4 towers. 3 are already launched and 1 tower which is launching under the name of Elara that we are going to talk about today, which is an approximately G+25 story building, and these are G+22 and 28 story buildings with podium level and rooftop level amenities, 40+ amenities including Miyawaki forest gardens, pet parks, temperature controlled swimming pool, spa and sauna, and many such amenities that give you the feel of luxury in an affordable range. Talking about the connectivity here now, it is a very well connected location, as I've already mentioned, because of the proposed road in the middle of the 2 phases that connects you well to the Amandut metro station, which is just 1 kilometer from here. And apart from that, you are also very well connected to BKC2, which is approximately just 5 minutes from here. Schools like Harmony School and Hospital like Satya Sai Sanjeevani are just walkable distance, approximately 5 minutes from here. Navi Mumbai International Airport is also just 30 minutes from here. So this was about our well-connected location. Talking about the inventory, so they have 2 BHKs and Jodi flats available. So today I'll be taking you there. This is our sample flat for 3 BHK, or you may also call it Jodi flat. और इसी के अलावा आपको 4 BHK भी ऐसे ही लेआउट में मिल जाएगा. इसका कारपेट एरिया है 915 स्क्वायर फीट एंड 4 BHK का कारपेट एरिया is starting from 1300 स्क्वायर फीट. तो ये है हमारा वेरी स्पेशियस, एलिगेंट एंड लैविश लिविंग रूम, और इतने ही साइज का आपको अटैच डेक भी वहां पर मिल रहा है, which is again very spacious and very long in size. Just because this is a Jodi flat, so you can see how well decorated and आपको कितना spacious ये living room मिल रहा है. The floor to ceiling height here is 10 feet, and ये butterfly layout house है. Our double platform kitchen, which is again very well utilized as you can see, और यहाँ पर आपको refrigerator space भी मिल जाती है. And यहाँ पर हमें हमारा master bedroom number 1 मिल रहा है, which is again very spacious and comes with attached washroom with vitrified tiles and premium fittings given to you. Now through the living room हम अपने other side of the house में जाने वाले हैं, जहाँ आपको मैं common bedroom and master bedroom दिखाने वाली हूँ. So moving on, before that now I'll show you the common washroom, which is again comes with utility area attached and premium fittings given to you. Right opposite to it, we have our common bedroom, kids bedroom or guest bedroom according to your requirements, which is again very well utilized, and आप इसे inspiration लेकर ऐसे ही decorate कर सकते हैं. Through the foyer area, now we are getting into our master bedroom number 2, which is again very spacious, well utilized with attached washroom that comes with vitrified tiles and premium fittings given to you the same way. तो ये था हमारा premium 3 BHK sample flat, and pricing यहाँ 2 BHK की start हो रही है from 97 lakhs all inclusive, 3 BHK starting from 1.60 CR all inclusive, and 4 BHK starting from 1.90 CR. इनके पेमेंट प्लान्स हैं जैसे कि CLP और 1090, ये भी अवेलेबल है. सो आपको आज ही अपनी बुकिंग स्टार्ट करनी चाहिए. एंड फॉर साइट विजिट एंड मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन, कॉन्टैक्ट अस टुडे ऑन द गिवन डिटेल्स बिलो. अंटिल नेक्स्ट टाइम, थैंक यू.